Hey guys, we are back with something bigger and better today. I'm gonna keep this very short because I am freezing out here. So as we all know, tomorrow is Mother's Day, and what better way to tell your mom you love her than giving her something sweet, something tasty, and yeah. And as Lazy Chef, I am giving away 3 gift hampers, and yeah, it's super easy to get one. 1, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's if you're not subscribed already. And make sure 3 of your friends, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, subscribe as well. And 2, pick any recipe from any of my videos, make it, and send the video to my Instagram, The Lazy Chef, and I will see it and I will make sure you get a hamper. It's just me showing love to my subscribers because I have been feeling the love, so I'm just trying to show it back. And yeah, best part is it's going to be yes, it's going to be delivered right at your doorstep, because of this whole Rona stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. Bye.